Election Commission Jong India kalashim ya kisen jam ki bakrau banyada na ka Jingktah palat Jong ka Jingshit Kyrang Jong ka sngi hagane ka election ka balong menta usnam. Ka Election Commission ru kalashong jingalang bat kitanat Indian Meteorological Department ka National Disaster Management Authority bat katanat ka koit ka kya Jonggari. Hapo ka jingpanya chong Chief Election Commissioner Jonggari India Urajiv Kumar. Ka Election Commission kala Thaw de ka kinhuan task force ban Peit Thuh ban buddian jana yaka halor ka Jingktah Jong ka Jingshit Kyrang Jong ka sngi hagane ka por badang long election.
Is ways face second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth to the extent you can tell us, and then on that basis we want to facilitate all our voters, advise them that so it's advisory to the voters, to the political parties, to the all stakeholders, our management of booths, and if it is required, so that is the first part, and second part, all the medical preparation of booths to combat heat if it is going to be different than what it was earlier years.